Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another how-to video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of recovering the user ID of the net banking service of IndusInd Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end if you want to find out how you can do so. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.indusind.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of IndusInd Bank. Now click on the login option at the top right and then click on Net Banking Login. Once you are redirected to this page, you'll be able to see an option Forgot Username. Click on it. To recover your username, you first have to enter your account number or credit card number. Once you do that, enter your date of birth and permanent account number, that is PAN. Finally, click on Submit. Then follow the further instructions provided and give all the required details. Finally, you'll be able to recover the user ID of the net banking service of IndusInd Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.